Hi, I'm Rasheem McKinney, and with the help of Russell Smith, it's our pleasure to present to you a brief introduction to the Hoffman Construction Company and the Oregon Health Science Center for Health and Healing. Let's get started with the Hoffman Construction Company. The Hoffman Construction Company was founded in 1921 by L.H. Hoffman. Hoffman was an architect trained at Harvard University who had a rich history in the Portland area. His father had been a construction professional and had built bridges in the Portland area in the late 1800s. Hoffman's company played a key role in Portland's building boom in the 1920s. As the city transformed itself from a riverbank town and shopping port to a modern metropolis with high-rise buildings, garages, theaters, and elegant retail stores. By 1927, just 6 years after being founded, Hoffman's company had more than 400 employees and a payroll of $30,000 a month. Hoffman built upon these early successes and continued to grow the company by diversifying its product types, its breadth, and its reach, touching iconic buildings all over the Seattle and Portland area and beyond. From museums to hotels to stadiums to heavy industrial, you name it, Hoffman would build it. Today, Hoffman Construction is a top builder in the United States, maintains a global presence, and is an absolute powerhouse within the Portland area, with annual volume of over $2 billion and a reputation for taking on the toughest and most difficult, technically challenging projects. One such project would be Oregon Health and Science University's Center for Health and Healing, the 400 square foot facility located in Portland, Oregon. The medical center houses 8 floors of outpatient practices, 4 floors of educational offices and research laboratories, and a 3-story wellness center. The building also features a 3-story atrium, a conference center, cafe, and retail space. The CHH was the first LEED Platinum medical office building in the country. The building features 20,000 square feet of green roof, more than 50% of the total roof area, for stormwater management, rainwater harvesting, and temperature modernization, also providing some wildlife habitat in a dense urban environment. Parking for patients is provided in underground garage parking, with more than 50% of the spaces being housed underground. Other features include 60 kilowatt photovoltaic panels integrated into the building's sunshades on the south-facing facade, producing approximately 66,000 kilowatt hours annually. In addition to other measures, over 50% reduction in water consumption as compared to a base building was achieved on this project. Total costs for the project were $140 million, with the largest portion coming from construction hard cost of about $70 million, with TIs coming in second with $45 million. Site cost of about $425K and due diligence of $66K and permitting of $1.2 million and a lead administration fee of $200,000. The project was able to realize additional savings by making construction design decisions. One, by eliminating return air ducts and replacing it with air plenums, the project realized savings of $1.1 million. By reducing the size of the central air handling units with fan wall technology, the project was able to save $200K. The project was a beneficiary of over $1 million and incentives and tax credits primarily associated or attributed to its LEED Platinum certification, with the largest being contributed by the Oregon Business Energy Tax Credit of some $800,000. One unexpected challenge on this project was acquiring janitorial services due to the broad scope of work. With such a diverse set of uses and a diverse set of materials, some being hazardous, some being infectious, that one would encounter in maintaining the cleanliness of the facility, provided increasing challenge for the property management group. The property management staff confronted these challenges by providing additional training to janitorial service providers, which introduced best practices for dealing with various materials that these service providers may not have had experience with. This has proved successful to date. We hope this brief introduction to the Hoffman Construction Company and OHSU's Center for Health and Healing has been informative. We look forward to seeing you all in Portland and learning more about each of these very interesting sites. Until then, Godspeed.